Okay, a very good morning to all of you. Children, earlier in the last lecture, we have already discussed about marketing mix, which is also called as, it is very popularly called as 4 P's of marketing. 4 P's we have introduced it in the previous class. I have introduced, we have understood what is the meaning. Now we are going to study what can be the possible keywords or the terminology which will help you to identify, because we all know case studies will be there in the exam and 1 mark question will be there, say MCQs are there or any other objective type question. So you are supposed to be particular about the keywords or the terms which will help you to identify. So number 1 is product mix. Product mix means all the decisions which are related to the product will be taken therein. Which all points or words can be there? Please write. Product design can be there. The word related to product design may be mentioned in the question. Like there is a case study in which the design of the product is there, or the features of the product are there. The quality of the product is there. So like this, please write it down. You can make it like this or anyway. This is not a difference between question. I am just telling you product ke related keywords. Basically, we are going to study about the keywords or the points which will help us to identify. Number 1, it is product design, then its features, then the name of the product. Name of the product, which is also called as branding. So branding can be there. Then what else? ब्रांडिंग के अलावा और क्या होता है हमारे पास? लेबलिंग. तो पहले पैकेजिंग होगी, देन लेबलिंग होगी ना. सो पैकेजिंग एंड लेबलिंग. पैकेज जो होता है उसका बेटे पैकेट के ऊपर ही लेबलिंग करती है. वी विल लेबल इट ऑन द पैकेज ओनली. सो पैकेजिंग एंड लेबलिंग. ब्रांडिंग विच इंक्लूड ब्रांड मार्क, ब्रांड और ट्रेडमार्क और ब्रांड नेम. ऐसा कुछ भी लिखा हो. If it is given that to give a unique identity to the product, we will discuss that this should be the name, something like that. So we will understand this is about branding, and branding is a part of product mix. बेटे ये भी आपने ध्यान रखना है. When the question will come in your exam, they may ask about this or they may ask about this. So how will you come to know that what is being asked? आपको सिर्फ ये दिया होगा, a unique name is given to the product and the company decided to give it the name of so and so, like that. How will you come to know? In case it is given that identify which of the 4 P's is there, ऐसा कुछ दिया है, so you will come to know that they are talking about this. In case they are saying it is one of the component of 4 P's, like 4 P's के component के अंदर का कोई concept है, you will come to know about in the question. Then you will understand that product is not the answer वो question में दिया है and branding is the right answer. ठीक है, वो आपको इस तरह से कुछ क्वेश्चन घुमाते दे देते हैं. Sometimes ये जैसे earlier it came for 3 marks or 4 marks, तो there were chances कि पहले वो 1 mark में product mix पूछते थे and in the 3 other marks branding and उसके importance या labeling and उसकी importance, like this it used to come. Okay, what else can be there? Standardization and grading. But standardization and grading मेरे को लग रहा है हमें इसमें cover करती है. But keywords are there definitely. We can write standardization word if given. It will help us to identify. Standardization भी हम product में करते हैं. And then grading of the product is also done in product mix only. What else? After sale services, for example, some of them may be complimentary, some of them may be paid, but they are related to the product. उसकी जैसे repair है, guarantee warranty, they are all a part of product mix only. That what else we are going to provide. It is not a part of promotion. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना. बच्चे ये भी गलत कर देते हैं. Customer care service fee we can write, or after sale service also we can write. After sale facilities or services is good. ठीक है. For example, आपको एग्जाम्पल के साथ ही बता देती हूँ. एग्जाम्पल लिखा है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होता है समटाइम्स. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री रिपेयर और सर्विसिंग. Sometimes it is like for this much time period, in case there is any problem or any repair, company will do it free of cost. Or servicing, one free service or two free service along with when you purchase a product, you will get 2 or 3 free services. That is also a part of the product. What else can guarantee or warranty word is given in case. That is also a part of product only. In case a word guarantee is given. Guarantee or warranty. Difference पता है सबको? Guarantee and warranty. Any one of you can tell me what is difference between guarantee and warranty? Yes.
Guarantee means that the company assures that the product will not get damaged in a particular time and
Like availability of the spare parts. Spare parts of the product are also a part of product mix. In this point, we will make sure that the spare parts are available in the market. Then it will help the promotion persons to sell this product also. Okay, so that is also a part of product mix. Okay, now let's come to the price part. What all we are going to study in price, write it down. क्वेश्चन में दिया ही होगा आपको ऐसा कुछ. प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटेजी ऑफ द कंपनी. प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटेजी कंपनी. I have told you some companies are more of the social welfare. उनकी टेंडेंसी होती है कि we have to provide reasonable prices पे good quality. Some companies are more of the profit making. Commercial है ज़्यादा, तो profit making is their strategy. So like this they will set their price. प्राइस सेटिंग के साथ रिलेटेड और कोई भी वर्ड. हाउ टू सेट द प्राइस, लाइक हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रॉफिट दे वांट टू ऐड. प्राइस सेटिंग कैन बी देयर. प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटेजी, प्राइस सेटिंग. जैसे स्ट्रेटेजी कैन बी दैट इनिशियली वी विल set low price and slowly we will increase the price. That can be a strategy. And price setting means how much percentage of profit we are going to add. What else? Are we going to give any discount or rebates to the wholesaler and retailers on bulk purchases and so and so? That is also a part of pricing. So discounts or rebates to wholesaler or retailer. This also comes under the pricing part, not in the promotion part. ठीक है. Discount and receive it, discount and rebate if company is given to the wholesaler or retailer, that is also part of pricing strategy. What else can be there? What are the terms of payment? कैसे payment करेंगे? Some companies only cash basis, some companies cash and credit, both facilities are there. When we are selling goods to our, like, think about businessmen, raw material, they are providing it to customer, getting it. So we have already studied debtor होते हैं, creditor होते हैं. So in case we are getting raw material on credit from creditor, we may also give it on credit to the debtors. Goods can be sold on credit. So payment option. Payment option. नीचे लिख लीजिए cash basis or credit basis. That is also a part of pricing. On what basis company is going to decide that are we going to get all the money in cash or are we going to give credit facility? ठीक है, cash basis or credit basis. Then place mix. Place mix में I have already told you what is the major component क्या है उसमें. Major decision is related to physical distribution. Physical distribution word I have told you. So that is to be written physical distribution. And in physical distribution, what we will decide? We will decide that how are we going to sell the goods. Direct selling will be there or indirect selling will be there. Which all intermediaries will say there? Use of intermediaries. Intermediary, you all know? Intermediary means the middleman. Like indirect selling karenge to which all will be acting as the middleman from the manufacturer to the customer, who all like which all parties will be participating in that. It may be direct selling or indirect, that I have already told you. What else I have told you? The other day we discussed it. What else? Physical distribution mein. For example, we are a company in Ludhiana and we are getting an order from say Nagaland to provide us goods. So what we will do? Transportation तो बेटे तब करेंगे if we have stock. Stock होएगा कि नहीं होएगा? Or we are going to do that whenever we are getting order तब production start करेंगे. What do we call it? Warehouse. तो warehousing is also there. Warehouse में क्या रखना है? So inventory management. Inventory is to be considered how much we are going to keep in the form of inventory. ठीक है, एडवांस में प्रोडक्शन करके रखते हैं ना एक्स्ट्रा. Inventory management we call it. Some part of the goods we already keep as like extra surplus रखते हैं production करके, and in case we are getting a very like huge order, so at least 20-30% हमारे पास already हो, and then we can continue with the further production. Inventory management now comes. आपका inventory है तो कहाँ रखेंगे? Warehousing. And how to provide goods from one place to other? Transportation. So transportation is also a part of place mix. Place mix means where we decide physical distribution. What else? There is one more point, that is order processing. Order processing. Now, what is this order processing? Order processing means all the steps which are related to, like we got an order, then what we will do? We will get some money in advance and then we will start with the production. Some part we already had. How much time we are going to take for producing those goods? So this all is, every company has its own style of this order processing के लिए उनका अपना एक strategy है, उनके अपने steps हैं. Some companies try to minimize the time period for order processing so that they should not lose the customer. Minimum time period they want to consume, so they will act accordingly. Okay. The last one is promotion. Now, what all is included in promotion? Advertising. What else? Publicity is there. Publicity basically कंपनी थोड़ी करती है. पब्लिसिटी तो ऑटोमेटिकली हो गई. ये हम अभी कंपनी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से करेंगे कि कंपनी क्या करती है. पेड. Yes. Sales promotion and personal selling both are there. Sales promotion. Sales promotion के लिए there may be given in the question that कोई offer दे दिया है कंपनी ने. Some offers are given, buy 2 get 1 free, something like that, or scratch and win offer, just to increase the sale. Whatever example is given in the question to increase your sale. जैसे मैंने आपको lucky draw coupon or a free gift or product combination, something like this if given by the company, it means the company wants to promote sale. The products वो नहीं sale हो रहे हैं तो company ने offer दिया. ठीक है. And what else you said? Personal selling. Yes. Personal selling, you know what is this? Personal selling means when we are sending our salesmen door to door or in the localities to sell or to propagate our product, to sell the product. Salesmen are being sent. What else can be there? One more point is there, that is public relation. This is the point I think we have not discussed so far. Public relations. Now, what is the meaning of public relation here? But public relation means all the companies generally they want to maintain a good reputation in the market. To maintain that reputation, companies generally time to time like कुछ अपनी official statements देते हैं for news channels, for newspapers and magazines, which will help the company to uplift their goodwill, जिससे उनकी reputation और ज़्यादा अच्छी हो जाए. This type of statements when given by the company, they are all a part of public relation. Like how to, जैसे press और media के साथ जो reputation company is making, that will help in maintaining the public relations.